Good morning! It's a beautiful day, and whatever.
I guess this is our morning.
The Albernoses are on the move, and if you know us, we stay on the move, no matter what it is. No matter what day it is, well, technically only on the weekends. But my husband had to work today, and I went with him to work and got back. We slept, and it's now like 1 o'clock, so it's not good morning anymore. And it's good afternoon per my husband. Come on, kid, let's see. Say I'm sorry. Okay, go to the car. It's okay, buddy. Go. It's okay, honey. It was an accident. Everyone get in their designated seat because we're going far. Ow! I am not looking rough. It's just I haven't had time to shave my armpits. My husband is deadly afraid of armpit hair. Okay, come on. No, he's not going in the back. He's sitting in his seat.
I know.
Okay, that's even making him more angry.
Jaxson, get in your seat. Let's go. We gotta go.
Stop crying, honey. It's okay. It's okay. I know. The baby was so happy. Hi, Elena. You forgot something? You forgot to put your belt on. That's what you forgot. So right now we're gonna go look at a car. We're gonna go look at a truck at Ford because I'm selling my car in January so that we can afford to buy a house. So once we sell my car, which is a Ford Focus, we're gonna get an Explorer. So we're gonna go to Ford to look at it to see whether or not that's the car I want or whether it's too big, because if it's too big I'm not gonna drive it. So we're gonna go see it and get a feel for it, and just to look. We're just gonna look. Even though the last time I was there I looked it and it was fine because no one came out and was like all on me. But this time hopefully no one comes out. That way we can just look around the lot and but if we do need to see it on the inside, we can go and say, hey, can we but that's what we're gonna do today. And then we're gonna head over to his mom to barbecue. So we're trying to get the best out of summer before it goes, because my husband likes to barbecue. So he's the barbecue king. So
I love to barbecue.
yeah, he loves to barbecue. And when I first came to this country, I thought barbecues were like, a fun little thing to go to. And once I met him, he kind of like sucked the fun out of barbecues, because we were barbecuing every day, sometimes just for no reason. So I was like, when someone was like, I have a barbecue coming up and I'm inviting you guys, I'm like, no thank you, I'm good. I've been to enough barbecues in my life.
Are you kidding me? This kid's it.
Yeah.
He lives in
But yeah, we're on the move. So I'll update you guys once we're at Ford, if not later. You guys like the car? So it's this is the Ford Explorer Sport, and my husband liked this color. It's pretty nice on the inside. Ooh.
Oh, you see, look.
And then you can press the
is automatic too.
Yeah, the little button. I like it.
Okay, now I like this.
See?
Now it's
And
trying to
it's
lift
deep
it.
enough in the back. It's bigger than
Do that button.
our Ford.
Yeah. Do that button. How do you open it?
52,000 though?
It's hot. See.
It's very hot, the leather, but mommy needs leather.
Hey, I just want to go home. Mama, can we get in the pool?
Which one?
And like, when we get home, can we go to the pool? I like this
To the where?
Can we go to the pool when we get home?
No.
Oh, it's hot.
We're going to grandma's house.
Yeah, then we go to the pool.
No. So we are here barbecuing at grandpa's and grandma's. And they're singing that my song is on the radio. This is my jam. Bingo. The keys to the Lex. I am like a whole. I am a whole. What do you call it? Old school. Old school. Yeah, I love old music. Honey?
Yep.
What do you want to say to the peeps out there watching?
I'm hungry.
Ah!
I'm ready to eat.
Yeah, he's hungry. He's ready to eat. So just in case. Oh, I'll make it home tonight. Do you for the last time, baby. This moment like the last, 'cause you're the better half, so just in case.
There's something you need to know. I love just like the last that I had. I don't make it hard, don't make it hard. I want you to know
We are rolling through 40 minutes and
I'm gone. I am so gone. Shout out to the cook.
Yep.
Even though we didn't show the food, but we're out of here, right, Mabel? We're out of here, Mabel.
No, you don't. No.
Hi, Mabel.
No. I don't want to go to the table.
Oh.
No. Please.
Well, we'll just squeeze.
Say my chancho.
We'll take you out.
Table.
Chancho.
No.
Chancho.
No. Don't say that.
Chancho.
Chancha será.
Chancha.
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 Yeah.
We're about to roll out. Right, Jill?
Like you. Journey.
We're about to go home.
Like you.
'Cause
Journey.
it's late. And my hubby's getting some what? Food? Is that food?
Yeah, this is the after barbecue.
After the barbecue.
So we have some lunch and breakfast.
Lunch and breakfast. There you go. Even though I don't eat leftover.
Well, you eat my leftovers.
Sometimes. It all depends.
Chicken and steak. Sure.
Juice this. That's it for today's video. There's not much in there. Elena, what are you doing? You need your socks? Why did you take your shoe off? Why did you take your shoe off? I don't know.
I don't know.
My children be tripping when they come to their grandparents' house.
Mommy, do you put it on
No, I'm not putting them on. I already put them on for
Are we ready to go?
Yeah, I just gotta get my beer.
I need to take my hair out. I don't know what to do. Hey, Destiny. Say what?
At home. You can make some videos when you're playing American Idol.
Really? How about you do that? And I just watched you.
Okay.
Say hi.
Hi.
That's it? You don't have anything else to say?
Hello. Be quiet.
Can you take the food back?
Okay. I'm gonna sneak me a cookie. Cause oh look! There's a fire truck. How did that happen?
Fire truck. Where?
Oh, it's gone.
Huh?
Oh man.
Fire.
Oh,
Oh.
it's gone. I missed it. It's gone.
No, you didn't miss it.
I did.
No, it was just driving and it went that way.
Oh, okay.
Maybe it's coming back.
We're gonna go home.
Hey, I'm gonna go home with mommy, my mama,
Who else are you
And
gonna
she-
go home with?
daddy, my dada,
Oh, okay.
my daddy, and Jordan, my brother, Jason, my brother, Jaxson, my little brother,
Okay.
and that's it.
All right.
And
We're out of here. Deuces.
Woohoo!
Thanks for chilling with us today. Today was a very calm day. Not much going on.
That's no reading.
So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
No, I'll see
Tomorrow
you
is Sunday.
tomorrow.
Fun day.
My shoes. Bye-bye. Oh, and do a video when we're playing Immersion Girls. Promise!
All right.
Promise!
All right.
Pinky promise!
All right, Eliana. Okay.
That's a pinky promise!
Okay. Okay.
Pinky promise!
Okay.
And a pinky promise!
Okay.
Right?
All right.
It's a promise!
All right.
Okay, done! All my blood is rushing to my butt.
Oh, the blood is rushing to your butt.
Or down my legs.
What in the world are you talking about? Oh, the blood is rushing to your butt.
Mommy, look! Just look, look! Ow.
All right, let's go. Daddy's ready.
Look! Look!
Gia, come on.
No, look! I just did it. You missed it!
Gia, got it. 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 Gia, got it.